is, yeah, okay.
So that drops to a 42, which makes sense now we look at it.
Right.
And the main
And see, you
jets
can
are
you can go all the way
175
up to
and
40. You can
155.
go all the way up to 48. You know, you can buy. They make them, I think, in increments of 2. And then, of course, if you can machine work, you can make whatever you want to. You know, you just turn them. But
There's all the.
yeah, you
He
don't-
told me there was a card, and I said, I've never seen a card. It's stuck inside
Yeah.
the other book.
Is there a 710 button thingy on here?
To what?
Is there a 710 button?
Hadn't heard
17?
that joke. The
No.
blonde goes in and looks and said, I need a 710 cap. 710 cap. You have to write it down to see it. 710, turn it over.
Yeah,
There is
42
one.
millimeter choke size. Okay, so idle jets 70. That's a whole lot more. Idle jet holder 95. Emulsion too.
And a lot of the stuff you'll read that says that is a common starting point for people that set them up, is a 70.
Yeah.
Which is why I was asking y'all, if y'all had the same trouble, was y'all starting at 70 and you went,
I'm not sure yours was that big.
No, they weren't that
They
big.
weren't
I've
that
never
big.
seen. I've never had a 70 idle jet. Mine, I think mine started out at
60?
60 or something like that. Yeah.
Well, I ordered a 65 just so I
Right.
could try a step.
I might have some 65, right, but they're in the 60 range.
Because I didn't think I wanted to jump down to
And
a
the
60,
compression,
so-
the compression on this thing is what you
10 and a half.
10 and a half. And choke sizes would just be. I mean, that's just. See, I've never changed choke tube size. I'm getting ready to.
Are
I've
you?
never, yeah, but